Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be restoring this Geeksquad UPS that I found in the woods. Now this thing basically just has a lot of dirt and rust on it. These are the top vents, this is the front, these are the LEDs and the power button. If you look on the sides, it's not too bad, just has some more dirt and rust. If you look on the back, there's some rust on the connector, but that's fine. And there's some dirt in these outlets, and you can see that I cut off the power cord because that's the power cord that it came with. And this thing is just, I don't even know how to describe it, it's awful. So, and there's no way to fix this, so I'm gonna be replacing it with a different one. And this is the other side, just more dirt as expected. And this is the bottom, let me flip this over. And this is the bottom of the unit. You can see it is a Geeksquad 975U, which means it supports 975 volt amps and 540 watts. And behind this door, there should be a big 12 or 24 volt battery. So if I can figure out how to remove this. And as you can see, more rust. And those are our two 12 volt batteries. Alright, it's on its side, and I can just easily pull off these batteries. This is the connector. So these are 12 volt, 7 amp hours, as expected. Now this unit is a lot lighter. If you look inside, it's not too bad, just obviously more rust. So I already removed some of these really rusty screws before the video because I knew that was going to be really tough. So all I need to do is just pull this panel off. And that, there's our panel. If we take a look at this, you can see, wow, that is a big transformer. And there's a small PCB over there. If I turn this around, on this side you can see these power transistors mounted to these aluminum blocks, which are the heat sinks. And you can also see the surge protector board with all those varistors. And if I flip this around, there is another heat sink with some more transistors on it, and relays, and just a bunch of other stuff. So now it's time to start taking this apart. Alright, so I have most of the metal pieces off, and it took a while to get some of these transformer screws out because they were pretty stuck, but I did. And look at all this dirt. That's why I got this old toothbrush. Now I just need to get these outlet screws off and get the surge protector board out. Alright, now that I have everything mostly where I want it, let's start washing and cleaning some of this stuff. To clean the metal and plastic pieces, I have the pieces themselves and a bucket of repurposed rainwater. I'm just going to soak these all in, and I'm going to scrub them with an old toothbrush. After scrubbing this, you can see it looks way better. There's way less dirt on it. And even though it has scratches on it, I'm fine with it, and I'm not going to continue to clean it any further. So now it's time to start working on some of these pieces. So with a lot of these pieces, you can see that the rust is still there, but most of the dirt and mud is gone, which is what I want. And there's our delicious chocolate water. So right now there's a little bit of dirt in these outlets, and I'm just taking these out while I'm waiting for those metal pieces to dry. Alright, now I'm going to use some water to wash off the mud, and I'm going to use baking soda to remove the corrosion. Now, as long as you dry the circuit boards fast enough and there's no power running to the circuit boards, it's completely safe to wash them with water, so. Alright, now I'm going to install the power cord. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, hold it in place with my pliers, and then drill out this old wire part, and then feed the new wire in. Alright, I have all 3 wires connected up to the cord now, so it's time to put on some protective tape. Alright, I have this thing mostly put back together. As you can see, I have a 12 and an 18 volt battery connected in series to make 30 volts. And the transformer is grounded and screwed, and I have a bunch of different things plugged in here. And there's my kilowatt, there's my 100-watt lamp, and the fan. And I have an oscilloscope so I can measure the voltage, and yeah, let's test it out. 3, 2, 1. Yay! Alright, so we know this part of the inverter works. As you can see, it's just a normal sine wave with the tip cut off as expected, and our lamp and our fan they don't seem to be affected by that. Our batteries are charging. Everything's running great. Now let's unplug it. It says using battery, and that is our square wave, or modified sine wave. Our fan is buzzing, although our light is working fine. Here's a closer look at that. And you can also hear the transformer buzzing in the unit, and it keeps beeping at us. Now let's plug it back in. That is a much better looking sine wave. And it's running on AC power now, so. Alright, let's try overloading it. I have this 600-watt vacuum cleaner. Alright, here's normal sine power. And let's unplug it. This unit says it has automatic voltage regulation, which should use the transformer to bring up the voltage in case there's any voltage drop, which I'll create using these extension cords and a hairdryer. So let's test this out. Alright, let's see if this works. And yes, that transformer is making the buzzing noise. Well, voltage is back up and the transformer's not buzzing. So it looks like automatic voltage regulation works. And here's the completed unit. Now, I skipped past a lot of parts in this video because I'm kind of on a time deadline to get this project done. This is the bottom. This is what this says. Here's the logo. And also, I glued the power cord in place and then hammered the steel plate flat again. This is the back of the unit. As you can see, this is the battery, and these are the surge outlets. And yeah. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.